Hello guys, welcome to our unboxing channel, Unbox Other Things. This is Ryu. I've got an tech unboxing to do today, and I'm unboxing the Redmi 90 phone. So this one is the 4 gig RAM and 64 gig storage space. This is one of the low-end gaming phone, I guess. Anyone who's looking for a gaming phone but with, you know, a slight low spec for your budget, I think this is a pretty nice phone. So this has a 6000 mAh battery. This is the side of the phone. This is the top. Side of the bottom. See that? See that? Yeah. Okay, that's it for the box. Let's open it up. Okay, what is this? We are greeted by a box that says designed by Redmi. Okay, we've got a SIM injection tool right here. Got paperwork, and ooh, it comes with a silicone case. So here's the phone itself. Ooh, it's pretty hefty. Didn't expect it to be this heavy. We'll see what else is in the box. Oh, look at that. Comes with a charger. Let me see if I can see the specs of this. This is not a fast charging brick. This is a normal charging brick. And comes with a Type-C charging cable. Always nice to have a charging brick included. That side. So now to the phone. So this is a Redmi 90. It comes with a 48 megapixel AI quad camera, ultra wide angle and micro lens, 6000 mAh battery. It has a high charge cycle battery, 18 watt fast charging. I'm not sure if the brick is an 18 watt fast charger. This is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 octa-core CPU, up to 2 GHz. Screen size is 6.53 inch. Full HD dot drop display, and has dual speakers. Redmi by Xiaomi. Alright, let's open this up. Ooh, it has a really pretty nice finishing at the back. Big branding logo Redmi right there. I'll get realistic a bit later. It's made of plastic at the back. That's a very nice design right there. Camera design right here too. Got camera right. Oh, this is the power button. I think is the fingerprint sensor as well. Volume button. The top got the speaker grill, headphone jack, microphone. On the side we have the SIM card. Another microphone grill, speaker grill, and the charging port, and where is this beyond? It comes with MIUI 12, yours alone. Alright, this is the phone after the setup. It's definitely MIUI. Looks pretty clean. that. It's updating some of the backups that I'm doing on the other phone. And yeah, so this is the Redmi 9T. I gotta say, the camera setup here is pretty dope. I like the big Redmi there. Alright, so that's the unboxing for the Redmi 9T. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.